have lovely collection. Also सब लोग ये पूछ रहे हैं कि ladies jewelry में आप क्या कर रहे हो? But I think I was the only guy. They wanted someone to start the show, so I'm very happy and privileged that I'm here.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि दो बड़े ही विद अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ लेगेसी के लोग साथ में आए, फॉर whom I walked anyway. बॉम्बे बुलियन एसोसिएशन का ये 65th फाउंडेशन डे है, and that is a huge history behind them. I congratulate them on a beautifully done show and celebration. And Dwarka Das, the jewelers, have done a spectacular job. I think they chose well. They got the right showstopper.
Yes.
देखिए, ये तरीका है मेरा to stay in touch with the people I love, and it's just the people that I love very much. And also, when we come and walk as a showstopper or associate ourselves with any brand, उस ब्रांड की अपनी एक ऐसी पहचान होती है जिसके साथ जुड़ने से तहे दिल से खुशी होती है.
I mean, jewelry तो I wish they would gift it to me. But मज़ा आता है ऐसे जब नए नए डिज़ाइनर्स आते हैं और आप नए नए डिज़ाइनर्स के कपड़े पहनते हैं, ज्वेलरी डालते हैं. इट्स अ नाइस फीलिंग. आई एंजॉयड इट. और मैं रैम्प पे ज़्यादा चलती नहीं, तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस कम है मुझ में.
Well, मेरा जो ये आउटफिट है ब्लैक एंड गोल्ड मनाली जगताप ने बनाया है. ऑलवेज लव हर क्लोथ्स एंड शी यूजेज ब्लैक एंड गोल्ड ब्यूटीफुली, और मेरे दोनों बहुत ही फेवरेट कलर्स हैं. And of course this lovely jewelry is by SK Jewelers. जो मतलब I saw this piece and I was like, I want to wear this and walk. The new collection over here is fantastic. My congratulations to the whole team. I think it's a fantastic effort, and I think jewelry, not just diamonds, are a girl's best friends, and I think it's a perfect gift to make to any girl, especially with the the festive season around the corner. I think it's a great initiative. Well, I think like I said, it's a great initiative by the Bombay Bullions Association, and I wish them all the best, and I hope to participate in any which way I can and walk the ramp and wear such lovely jewelry.
I think the fact that India is known for such exquisite jewelry makes it that much more daunting for a jeweler to make a piece that really is striking and is different and is unique. So I think they've done a fantastic job with creating this piece, and I think a woman can only look beautiful when she feels beautiful, and this piece makes me look absolutely princess-like. I feel rich, very rich, and very royal. I love all kinds of jewelry. I mean, I think I really love this piece because it has a vintage quality, and even though it's a modern piece, it's got very small, beautiful, interesting detail. And the overall impact is very vintage, and that's what I really love about it, and I think that's the kind of jewelry I naturally veer towards as well.
Well, I'm here to wear the jewels of this really wonderful company, Sparsh, of elegance, and I've been dressed up by Manali, and I've absolutely enjoyed it. I think it took me a long time to take to the ramp after my baby and all that, and now thankfully I fit into some clothes. So yeah, it's been great fun.